Well, first, even if you don't think you know anyone, make a list of everyone you know, because everyone knows somebody, even if they don't think they're a prospect. I don't believe in prejudging. Make the list and reach out to those people, because I do believe so heavily in relationship marketing. You reach out to anyone, even a stranger, build a relationship, and from that, ask for referrals to other relationships. Even in this day of internet marketing where you can find so many lead lists and things, nothing has had more powerful results in my life than simply asking someone I meet, who do you know that might know someone that wants to make a financial change in their life?